Okay, we're on a job here. See how the panel is bent really bad here? It's cracked. They tried to put a little piece of metal on there, but this whole section is sagging down really bad. So we're gonna put this new strut going across that panel right here to reinforce it and keep it nice and strong and straight. When the door comes down, I'll just release it here. See, when it gets to this point when it has to go around the corner, right here, it's bending really bad. See here? So you have to push up on it. And then you have to go around. All done. You can see here. We always put the strut on the top of the section of the panel, as high up as you can go. And now it's nice and straight and strong. And then I added where the crack was, piece of angle iron going across. I cut a little notch out here so it doesn't poke anybody. And across. So now that'll hold it nice and strong. Hey you guys, I just did the strut install for 250 bucks. That one took probably about 20 minutes total. And now I'm heading to my second job of the day. It's a broken spring. I'm gonna put 2 new springs in for 400. So that'll be 650 bucks. And it's only not even 9 a.m. yet. Let's go check it out. Okay, here we are. There's the broken spring. We're gonna replace it with the 2 new ones here and get it done. Well done with the job. New springs installed. Good to go.
Go sign up for the Garage Door Academy. Skill trade. Hustling and grinding, keep the bills paid. Skill trade. Hustling and grinding, keep the bills paid. Blue collar, dirty hands, making clean money. Stacking up bands like a bee to the honey. Please don't be a dummy. You won't be mad at me. Go sign up for the Garage Door Academy.